Alright, let's get this day started. We got a wedding to take care of. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, meeting up with Chris and Ryan and Mitchell. We're gonna grab breakfast at this McGuire's Irish Pub. Oh! This is the guy getting married.
Yes, sir.
Look at that cute little daughter here.
Oh, is it actually filming?
Just got them shades on.
Video.
Alright, so we're here with our best friend Ryan Valovich.
I don't know why it's red in here. It's just the tint of
This young stud's getting married. And it's been like 4 or 5 years since we've all been together. So we're all gonna date this and sign our names on it. And we're gonna tack it to the wall or the moose nose. We haven't figured it out yet.
There's over $1 million bills in this restaurant. Alright, let's do it.
2018. In case you're wondering, folks, why it's so red in here, it's because we got this sign. Really sets the mood.
Here, Harper, sign it.
Make your mark.
Ready? Right there. Say Harper. H-R.
It's so cool when she's like 21. Come back and
Good
look
job.
at
Belly right here.
that. Over those other people's dollars?
You good? Yeah. Right by the left fireplace that we can remember it.
You're right. Nice.
The steak isn't actually this red.
We like them rare, boys.
we all got ribeyes. My ribeye. And he got a kosher sandwich and a baby.
I don't know how I'm gonna eat it.
Alright, y'all. It's about time to head to the wedding. We're getting our shirts ironed up right now. In case y'all wonder what the situation looks like, let me show you. We got Chris. Just kind of hanging loose. Just got done ironing. Ryan's hanging loose. And then Harper's doing something somewhere.
Again. So you have a very simple square.
Okay, so I was just there.
Then
Mitchell's learning how to fold a pocket square.
This lady drives me crazy. Your dad's busy. You like the 3-point good?
Wait, let's see, Ryan.
You like,
Whoa,
you like that or not
dude.
like
Whoa, dude. All right, y'all. Here we are on the beach, Opal Beach. Got my suspenders on. Ryan's in the background, putting on his little flower. What's that thing called?
I don't know. Pocket square. Pocket square.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Crystal's all purdied up. Beautiful sunset, kind of.
Hopefully the rain holds off.
Yeah, buddy. Let's do it. Let's get married. For the groom?
Well, you know, today is your last moments that you're single. Run for it. Get some stuff on the camera lens there too.
Any last words for the groom?
No.
No?
But in a serious way, hey, congratulations. You're gonna be amazingly happy and wonderful, and it's beautiful. And today's awesome. So.
Alright, y'all, it's kind of windy out here. I don't know if y'all can even hear us, but the ceremony is over. We're now headed to the reception to eat cake, but not really. We're gonna have keto-friendly foods for sure. But it was a good ceremony. It's a beautiful ceremony.
It was really, really
happy
beautiful.
For Ryan and Devany. It's gonna be good. Proud of them. What else? What do you guys think?
It was just beautiful. It made me get really excited for the day we get to get married.
We're still doing that?
Shut up.
Yeah, so we'll get married in a little bit. But not at the beach, at the family farm.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be good. We're gonna shoot guns, ride four-wheelers, right?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all have a good one. I don't know if I'm able to get any footage of the reception or not. My battery's about to die. But if not, y'all have a great one. Take care. By the way, y'all, it is Crystal's birthday today, too. Little bonus. Turning 26, getting old, aren't you, babe?
Super old.
Super old, looking old, getting a little wrinkly under those.
Excuse me.
Alright, to the reception we go. How's this work? You just drink and suck?
No, lick the salt first, then you drink it, and after you drink it, then you squeeze and chew them up. Not chew them up, just suck it.
My mouth's puckering up already.
Alright, brothers, I just wanted to say thank y'all for coming out and traveling all that way. I know it was a huge sacrifice. Chris was doing essays, Mitchell, he came.
Doing my thing, man.
Robert has a business, and it was a big sacrifice for everybody to come down here, and I appreciate it, and y'all mean a lot to me. And even though I'm with other people, I know that I just want to hang out with y'all the whole time. But,
Hey man, we wouldn't miss it.
We love you, Ryan.
yeah, love you.
Congratulations.
Do we get to kiss on the lips or anything after this?
No. Yeah.
Cheers, boys.
That's a lick. Drink.
And then lime.
I'm gonna get running.
Attaboy, Robert!
How's it going? So we got these knives for the groomsmen. They're pretty cool. Ram horn handle, Damascus steel. A lot of character. And what's great about these knives is every knife you buy at Sparrow Knives gives a kid in another country 30 days of school. So they pay for it. So
And it gives the groomsman a skinning knife, so you can't beat
that's
that.
right.
You get married and you settle down with the passion withers like a rose. But I refuse to live this thing we have together. And I keep the fire burning, baby.
I can't turn
Burning emotions are forever. This is the first day, but it won't